myself Aarti. Today I want to tell you about art and culture in Rajasthan. First of all, major forts of Rajasthan, in which the first is the Bundi Fort. The Bundi Fort was built by Rao Barsingh in 1354 AD on the hill of northern end of Bundi city. A strong wall is built around this fort. The murals of Chhatarshal Mahal, Yantarshal Mahal, Badal Mahal and Anudha Mahal are amazing. Next, Lohagarh Fort. This fort is built by the Maharaja Surajmal of the Jat dynasty of Bharatpur. There is a double rampart of mud around it, so it is also called Mud Fort. There were many attacks on it, but no one could win it, so it is also called Invisible Fort. Next, Ranthambore Fort. The inaccessible and inhospitable fort of Ranthambore is situated on the top of the high hill. It is said that this fort was built by the rulers of Chauhan dynasty. Nolakha Darwaja, Hamil Mahal, 32 pillar, umbrella, etc. are the main historical palaces in this fort. Here is the famous temple of Trinetra Ganesh. At present, this fort and its surrounding forest area comes under the Ranthambore Tiger Project. As special attention is being paid to its restoration, conservation and protection. Next, Jalore Fort. Jalore Fort is famous for its antiquity and strength, symbolizing the valor of Songra Chauhans, standing on the Songiri Hills in western Aravalli range. This fort has 4 doors. It was built in the 10th century by the Parmar kings Dharavarsha and Mudh. There are also wells, temples, ponds and a dargah in this fort. Next, Chittorgarh Fort. After the decline of Madhyamika city, the foundation of this fort was laid on Chitrakoot hill in the 7th century. It continued to grow and expand from time to time by Pratihar, Chalukya, Pramar and Sisodiya rulers. This fort is situated on Matsyagarh hill, which is surrounded by 2 strong ramparts. There are 7 entrances in this fort. There are many artistic temples and reservoirs, etc. Kumbha built a Kirti pillar which is 47 feet square and 10 feet high. Jati, a monument of 9 volumes with a height of 122 feet square. Built on flat land in this fort are unique, such as temples of Nilkant Mahadev, the Yajna Altar, as well as several Jain temples, Dalibag Bavdi, Mamadev Mahadev, Ulkum Swami Vishnu Temple, Raimal Sons, Prithvi Raj Monument, etc. The highest part of this fort is called Patargarh, where Maharana Pratap was born. Next, Amer Fort. This fort in the Dhundar area has been quite shaped from the time of Maharaja Man Singh. There was a special progress in the architecture of this fort. The beautiful combination of Mughal and Hindu style is reflected here at this fort. The beauty of the nails are embedded of the buildings is amazing. Next, Gagrol Water Fort. This is the famous water fort in Rajasthan, in which is situated Jalawar district. This fort is the famous for its natural environment. This fort is built at 2 confluence of 2 rivers, Ahu River and Kali Sindh River. This fort is the symbol of Hindu-Muslim unity. Next, major temples of Rajasthan, in which the first of major temples of Mewar. These temples are Hasra Bahu Temple, Ambika Temple, Sri Nathji Temple, Sri Iklinji Temple, Sri Charbhujanath Temple, Rishabdev Jain Temple, etc. Major temples of Marwar, Delwara Jain Temple, Oshia Temple, Kiradu Temple, etc. Major temples of Haruki, Baroli Temple, Bandevra Temple, etc. Major temples of Shekhawati, Jaipur region, Govind Dev Ji Temple, Abanheri Temple, Khatu Shamji Temple, etc. Next is sculpture. The sculpture of Molela village have recognized as this art at the world level. The art of making clay idols from by burning. They make mud pot decorated with Shiv Parvati, Panihari, Bhairuji, elephant, Ganesha, camel, horse, effigy, parrot, bird, lion, peacock, etc. It is known as Molela sculptures. Next, Havelis. In Rajasthan, big money lenders and wealthy people built big Havelis for their residents. These Havelis are of multiple stories. The Havelis of Shekhawati regions are more beautiful and artistic. The Havelis standing in the towns of Jaipur, Jaisalmer, Bikaner and Shekhawati region like Ramgarh, Navalgarh, Fatehpur, Mukundgarh, Mandawa, Pilani, etc. The Havelis of Shekhawati are famous for their murals. Next, Kshatriya. The monuments built by the rulers, feudatories, elite class, etc. in the memory of their own ancestors are known as Kshatris and Devas. The Kshatri of Gopal Singh in Karoli, the Kshatri of Ishwar Singh in Gator, Jaswanthada in Jodhpur, the Aid in Udaipur, and the Kshatris of Bada Bagh in Jaisalmer are highly architectural. Next and the last is painting. We can divide Rajasthani painting into four styles. First, Mewar style, Dogar, Natwara, Udaipur, etc. Next, Marwar style, Jodhpur, Jaisalmer, Bikaner, etc. Haruti style, Kota, Bundi, etc. And Dhundar style, Jaipur, Alwar, Uniara, Shekhawati region, etc. Next, different styles of paintings make their own identity. Different styles can be identified in terms of color, background and different animals. For example, in the paintings of Jaipur, Alwar, it is green. In the paintings of Jodhpur, Bikaner, it is yellow. In the paintings of Kishangarh, it is white or pink color. It is used. In the paintings of Udaipur, it is red color is used. And in the paintings of Bundi, there is a special use of golden color. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.